Hello students, in today's online class, let us understand how to find largest of three numbers. Let us understand this with the help of algorithm and flowchart. First, let us look at the algorithm to find largest of three numbers. Step 1, start. Step 2, read A, B, C. So A, B, C are the three numbers. Now first let us check if A is greater than B. If A is greater than B, this condition is true, then we have to compare A with C. If A is greater than C, if true, print A is largest. If this is false, if A is not greater than C, then C will be the largest. So if this is false, print C is largest. So this condition is checked if A greater than B is true. Suppose A greater than B is false. That means A is not greater, B is greater. In this case, we have to check B with C, whether B is also greater than C. So, if B is greater than C is true, print B is largest. And if B greater than C is false, then print C is largest. Now let us look at the flowchart. Start, read A, B, C. After reading all the numbers, check first number and second number, that is A greater than B. If A is greater, it comes here, it checks if A greater than C. If A is also greater than C, then it prints A is largest. If this condition becomes false, that means B is larger. In this case, it checks if B greater than C. If the condition is true, it prints B is largest. If this condition becomes false, it prints C is largest. So let us understand this with some examples. Suppose the values of A, B and C are 50, 40 and 30. First it checks A greater than B, that is, it checks whether 50 is greater than 40. In this case, the condition is true, it comes here, it checks 50 with C, that is 30. Is 50 greater than 30? Here also the condition is true, 50 is greater than 30, so it comes here and it prints A is largest. Now let us take another example where A value is 50, B value is 80 and C value is 30. It checks first whether 50 is greater than 80. Now in this case, this condition becomes false. So if this is false, it comes here, it checks whether B is greater than C, that is 80 is compared with 30. In this case, 80 is greater than 30, that is B is greater than C, condition is true. In this case, it prints B is largest. Let us take one more example. Suppose A value is 50, B value is 80 and C value is 130. So first two numbers are compared, that is 50 and 80. In this case, condition becomes false. So it comes here, it checks whether 80 is greater than 130. In this case, the condition becomes false. So when this is false, it comes here and it prints C is largest. This is how this algorithm works. This is one more method which can be used to find largest of three numbers. As we discussed in previous class, the same problem can have two or more solutions. So to find largest of three numbers, this is one more solution. So in this case, first step is start, then it goes to reading of data, read a comma b comma c. In this case, we are assuming that the first number is large, and this large value we are comparing with the other two values. Whenever we find that the other number is greater than the large, we change the large value. So here it first checks whether the second number is greater than the large. If this condition is true, then large will be changed to B. If B is not large, that means A is only large, and now it goes here and it checks whether C is greater than large. If C is greater than large, if the condition is true, it comes here, large value will be changed to C. After initializing large with C, it prints here largest value, that is C. Let us take some examples and try to understand how this logic works. If the value of A is 50, B is 40 and C is 30. Initially, we are assuming that the first number is large. So, large is equal to 50. Then it comes here and checks whether B is greater than large. Now in this case, 40 greater than 50, this condition becomes false. So if it is false, it comes here and it checks whether C is greater than the large, that is 50, that is 30 greater than 50. In this case, the condition becomes false, so it comes here and it prints the largest value, that is 50, that is A. Let us take one more example. In this case, let us assume that A is 50, B is 40 and C is 80. First, the large is initialized with the value 50, that is the first number, and after this it comes here and checks whether B is greater than large, that is B is having the value 40 and large has the value 50. Is 40 greater than 50? In this case, the condition becomes false and it comes here. Now it checks whether C is greater than large. C has the value 80 and large has the value 50. Is 80 greater than 50? In this case, the condition is true, so it comes here and it initializes large with the value 80. After this, it comes here and it prints the largest value, that is 80. This is how we can find the largest of three numbers.